The 5D joystick of this X12S remote controller. Its unique design allows you to control up to 7 channels using just one handle. You can clearly see that the center section is a cross-shaped channel. Can be controlled left and right. Then operate up and down. Then there is a pulsator operation key here. It is possible to perform left and right operations. In addition, the center of this rocker also cleverly integrates a push-button switch. Then there is a push-button switch here. To put it simply, the joystick head of the remote control can already directly control 5 channels.